Let's look at how to succeed. I mean, the thing that you have to put in your mind for you to be making money as an MTN Momo vendor. All right. So if you want to do this MTN mobile money business, then you have to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to tell you the thing that you have to put in your mind if you are there for money. All right, super simple. So the very first thing that you have to put in your mind is to get a legit sim. All right, get a legit sim. Why am I saying get a legit sim? Make sure the sim bears your details. I mean, the business set, then your valid ID. All right, make sure it is legit. Everything is in your name, because of future challenges. We don't want a situation that you've started the business and things are going on well, and later on you have problems with your details. So make sure you own everything on this sim. If you don't have your own business certificate, then make sure you do one first before you request for the agent sim. All right, super simple. This one is for somebody. I've done it for somebody. I will deliver this to the University of Cape Coast. All right, you can see this is the sim. If you want me to help you to get one, you can pick my number from the description box and I will make this available for you. All right, it's crazy. So now that you have legit document, I mean, now that you have legit sim, next thing that you have to put in your mind is to find the right location. You see, when it comes to mobile money business, you have to be at a place that people are passing. I mean, busy place. All right, don't go for this same and sit at a place that people are not passing. I mean, you won't be making money. But if your goal is to be making money, you have to be closer to schools, hospitals, markets, stations, churches. I mean, look at a place that people are passing so that there will be more transaction. Put this in your mind. Super simple. You have chosen a nice location. Don't just go there and start the business. No, I want you to go and ask more questions from people who are already in the game. I mean, learn. Go and learn from them the mistake that they did, so that you will be prepared for this particular business. Never just go straight and start this business if you don't have anybody to call when there's any challenge or problem. All right, so contact a lot of people who are already in the game. Ask them what they did, the mistake, the challenges, scamming activities that they have encountered, and make sure you learn. Take well notice, because this business, if you don't take care, people will scam you. So why will you start something that people are doing without seeking for the right information? So make sure you go out and prepare yourself from people who are already in the system. And by doing this, when you come back, expose yourself to the community, expose yourself to the streets, you will be well prepared. And this game particular will shape you. You will be learning whilst you are doing the trade. All right, this is super simple. Now, for you to make money from this MTN mobile money business, initial startup capital matters. When I say initial startup capital, it is the amount that you will start with that will determine how much you'll be making. But if you don't have money, don't worry. Start with whatever that you have. I have a friend who started with just 1,000 Ghana cedis. Somebody started with 2,000 Ghana cedis. Personally, I started with 7K. All right, and as time goes on, you can be reinvesting the profit that you'll be making from the business and scale up your business. I mean, level up your business. So make sure you start with huge amount of money, because if you are at a busy place that people are doing more transaction and you don't have money, people will be losing interest in you. They come to you, there's no money for them. The next day they come, I don't have money. The next day No, 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 no. Don't do that. All right. If you know that you don't have more money, don't go to a busy place. Listen, listen. Because if you make people lose trust in you, even the day that you are having money, when they are coming, they will be thinking that today you don't have money. So make sure the area that you are going to sit, I mean, where you are going to set up your store or your umbrella and the table, make sure you can meet their demand. This simple. All right. Now, what you need to do is to pay attention to scamming activities. Next thing I want you to put in your mind is that this SIM is not your busy or your active number. Never use this SIM to make calls. Never receive calls from this SIM, and you protect yourself from any scamming activities, because the more you engage somebody on this particular SIM, the more people can get access to your details and fraud you. All right, so make sure nobody knows this number. Nobody knows the pin. I mean, your brother, your sister, your siblings, your girlfriend. Think of anybody around you. Your pin number is your secret. And you know what? Your secret is your power. Make sure nobody knows anything about the same, and you will be protected. Next thing I want you to put in your mind is the timing. Where you are sitting, listen, this business is mostly active early in the morning and right after work. I'm going to explain things to you. When people are going to their workshop or when people wake up, that's the time that they start withdrawing money or sending money to their business partners. Think of anybody that they want to send money to. From my experience, from 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12, 1 p.m. there, transaction is a little bit slow. Okay, so it is mostly active in the morning and when people close from work. So if you want to make money from this MTN mobile money business, you have to be there early, latest by 6 to 7. You have to be available for people who want to withdraw money early in the morning, and also be there from 2 p.m. to at least 9 p.m. Then you can close. If you know where you are protected. You can be there till even 10 p.m. All right, but if you are not protected, make sure that you close early so that you will not be attacked or scammed by anybody. Check around the people who are closer to you. I mean, those workshops around you, when they are closing, bro, if you are using umbrella and table, just close and go and sleep. All right, super 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 simple. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. If you put this in your mind, then trust me, you will be making money from this business. All right, what I want you to put in your mind next is to exercise patience. When it comes to mobile money business, you'll be making money. To me, it's about three ways: when people are withdrawing money, when people are sending money, or when people are buying airtime or data. That's how you'll be making money. All right, I will do a full video on how you'll be making money as an MTN agent, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss the next coming video. By the way, if this video helps you, don't forget subscribe, like,